Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get access to Google Ultra. For those that don't know what Google Ultra is, I'm going to also show you what it is and the benefits of using it over the normal Google Gemini 3.0 or 3.1 AI for your Google Workspace. So without wasting much time, let me show you what to do. So the first things first is to make sure that you've spoofed your location. So your location should be showing India, not your normal location. So if you are staying outside in India, try to change your location. You should use a VPN or a proxy. I'd recommend to get the best results. I recommend using Unix proxy. So because it gives you a residential proxy address. So it moves your location to a residential proxy address in India or any country in the world you want. So I'm going to add the link in the video description to get your Unix proxy started. So to confirm that my location has been changed, you can either use wua.net, fast.com. It depends on what you want to use, but go to Google now, fast food near me, and you can see my location is showing me results for a place in India. I can't pronounce it, sorry, but you should know this is like India. So once you've successfully changed your location to India, I'm going to add this link. I'm going to put this link in the video description, so don't bother about trying to like cram them or anything. You're going to get it for free. So copy the first link. There are 3 links. You copy the first link and then let me come here and paste the first link. So the first link is where it's going to take you to the Google Workspace. Do not mind. Take note, my internet might be slow because I'm using a proxy. So this is it. And this is how it looks like. So you just click on buy now. You click on the buy now button. This is contact sales. Don't click on that one. Click on the buy now button and then allow it to load up. It's going to come up with some screen and then it's going to show you the price you have to pay and stuff like that. So while it's loading up, you are going to come to the second. Close this. The second link. Now this second one is just a site that helps you generate a random address because you'll be needing a random address. So here, click on this. Like I said, all these links will be added in the video description. So it depends on where you're watching from. If you're watching from Twitter, if you're watching from Facebook, if you're watching from TikTok, just check the video description or the comment sections and you're going to see these links for it there. So okay, this is it. As you can see, the amount is 10,500 something per month, but I'm going to show you how to get it for free. And look at my region is in India. Make sure your region is in India. If your region is not in India, this will not work for you. So click on the continue button. As you can see, the original price is around 19,000. I don't know the conversion to naira or dollar. Depends on where you're watching from. I don't know the conversion to your local currency, but there is actually a way to get it for free without even paying anything. I'm going to show you. So here now, this site is still trying to verify that we're human before they allow us get access to verification successful, and then we're still waiting for this again. Like I said, it depends on your proxy. So try to get a good proxy and it should continuously be checking to make sure that yes, you are currently in India before it gives you access. Remember that it will continuously be checking, so make sure you're using either a very, very strong proxy like Unix or a very strong VPN. So you must fill out this form before you proceed. So let's just wait for it to load out. So while it's loading here, now we've gotten, if you just click on this link, you don't even need to select India, it will automatically take you to India. You get. So now you are going to use the information here, some information here to fill out this form. So let's wait for it to work. So now we need to put name and address. So you click on this name and address bar. And then now this is your email. This is my name. For those who know me very well, know this is my name. So I'm not stealing anybody's video. This is my original video. So you can still keep the name. You don't need to change the name. But if you want, you can change the name of your account. So let me just change the name. Let me make everything look seamless. So full name. I come here and copy this full name. And I go back there and I paste the full name. But this one is not necessary. Then your street address, this is where is necessary. Come over here and then this is your street address. Just copy everything, go back here and paste it here under the street address. Then your apartment, this one is optional, leave it. Town and city, this is the next one. So you come over here and look for the town. This is a town, Dahangrand. Oh my god, I can't pronounce it, but this is the town. Come here. So my Indian friends watching this, please bear with me, I can't pronounce it. Paste it here. Then your pin is like your zip code. Yeah, so come over here. This is the zip code, but they're putting it as pins because some Indians what they call it is pin. In Nigeria we call it postal code. In US you can also call it postal code and stuff like that. So you copy this and come to this pin part and put it. Then your state town, come over here and look at the state. The state is Gujarat. Yeah, Gujarat. So you come here and look for Gujarat and then put it. You see, once you've done that, you click on the save button. Oh, I think I made a mistake. Gujarat. I click on the save button. Do you want to save it? This one is optional. You can just say no thanks or just close it if they're asking if you want to save. So you let Gemini do its thing. Now, banking method, do not put anything, just leave it. Do not put anything here. Come down now and click on agree and continue. So it will review and do a checkout. Remember, do not put anything in banking method. Leave your payment method empty. Agree and continue. And it will bring you to this other page again. Now what it's doing is trying to like see if you're actually in India, like checking your IP and everything. Make sure you do not turn off your VPN or your proxy. Like I said, use a very good proxy. And that's all. You're all set. It might take a couple of minutes for everything to work, blah, blah, blah. But just click on start using Ultra. And that's all. Oh, that's not all. Let me just show you that it is working. Let me show you that it is working. So let me copy the last link, workplace.google.com, or you can still see from here, but let me just go there. Let's say Google Flow. Yeah, this is where you can get their AI stuff, like so labs.google.com. Flow. Let's use Flow. And then we're going to see the number of credits we have. The number of credits you have, we prove that yes, because normally if you are using the free version, the number of credits is limited. I think is how many? It's not up to 2,000 or so. But this method now will give you over 25,000 credits. Do you know how crazy that is? 25,000 credits. So let's click on Create with Flow. So you can see here it's showing Ultra. Ultra, that means I have the Ultra version. I don't have the normal version. I have the Ultra version. So if you check with your normal account, go to Gemini, you might just see the normal version, but here it's giving you the Ultra for free. Like you're not paying anybody, you're getting the Ultra version for free. My internet is a bit slow, so let's just wait. I want you to see the credits. I just want you to see everything before I close, before I end the video. So let's click on Create with Flow. Create with Flow. Load. So like I said, now you can use Gemini, you can use any Google, this link, any of the services on that Google Workspace, you can use it for free. It gives you the Ultra for free. You don't need to pay anybody. There are lots of people out there that they pay so I can create an account for you. Or this is how they do it. You don't need to pay. You don't need to give anybody money. Just, man, enjoy this still. I don't know why people are selling all these informations that are free. I don't know why people are selling all these informations that are free. But let's focus on the video. Allow people to do what they want to do. So yes, you can do this if you want. These are optional, but do not click on sign out. You can do this. If you don't want, you can just uncheck them and click on next, right? But I want, in case there are new promotions and offers, click on next. Scroll down before you must scroll down to the bottom before you can click on the continue button, and then yeah, get started. So now if you come here, let me click on this. You can see I have 25,000 AI credits. Normally on your normal accounts, I don't have another email here. Okay, I'm going to show you this screenshot from a normal account. You see that the AI credits is not up to 25,000, but because you applied this method and used the Ultra, which you didn't pay for, remember, we got it for free, but we got 25,000 credits. So that's all for this video. Like I said, my name is Simon. You can find me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Oh no, I'm not active on. I don't make content on Instagram, X. So if you like this video, don't forget to share with your friends. mention them so that they can have access to this too and get it for free, so they don't end up paying someone for something they can get for free. So don't forget to leave a comment if you have questions, and I'll catch you on the next video. Have a great day.